Lickable Cat Snack Paste Sachet Packing Machine is manufactured by Shanghai Fubo Machinery Company. This machine can accomplish forming bag, measuring, material filling, sealing, counting, date code printing, all the work automatically. The PLC controller has advantages, such as adjust length of the bag, the output alarm, speed, and quantity can control by switch. This machine can be installed to code printed for 1 to 3 lines characters such as production date and expiry date according to your requirement.